Hello, everybody. Welcome to another movie review. I'm here with my good pal Ian. Say hello, Ian.
Hi everybody. What's going on? How's it going?
This is episode 12 of our Pixar movie reviews leading up to Turning Red. Today's episode is Cars 2. Now, this is probably going to be a
AKA
hot take because
yeah,
we know this movie is really hated.
yeah, a lot of people call this the worst Pixar movie. It's debatable and I get that, but I honestly thought Finding Dory was actually the worst Pixar movie. So we'll get to that later. I'm gonna be ranting on that soon. So
Oh, man.
Cars 2. Yeah, this movie is about Mater, who's become a spy. Who's it's a really stupid story, and I get it. But like, I get that this movie's stupid, but I get it. But like, it's entertainingly bad. Like as a movie, yeah, it's awful. As a movie, it's trash. It's awful, and I get it. But like, I just find it a movie that yes, objectively it is the worst, but
Yeah.
objectively it is the worst Pixar movie, yes, but I don't know. I just find it very enjoyably fun. Um, yeah,
Yeah.
weird, very weird, honest take, but I probably would put it unlike something like Finding Dory or even Wall-E. That those movies were just, in my opinion, boring, including Finding Dory being absolutely unnecessary. This movie was just entertaining. And if a movie's gonna be awful, then it at least keeps me entertained, and it's fun. This movie is fun, and I like it for that. Easily, like for
Yeah.
me, 9.4 out of 10. For entertainment value is a 9.4 out of 10. But as a movie, it's definitely a 0 out of 10 as a movie. It's definitely a really poorly made film. It's definitely a 0 out of 10 in terms of an actual movie because it's just so stupid. But I enjoy it. So it's a 9.4 out of 10 for enjoyment and overall 9.4 out of 10. But yeah, definitely in terms of like objective terms, this is definitely the worst Pixar movie. Objectively, yeah, it's definitely the worst Pixar movie objectively. But for me, I just enjoy it. It's probably but for in terms of entertainment, it's probably the most entertaining Pixar movie because it's just nonstop up crazy bananas. That's pretty much why it's a 9.4 out of 10 because like entertainment wise, it's like a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for entertainment, 0 out of 10 for
For a
actual
movie.
movie. But because it's so entertaining, I just had to put it at number. I just had to give it the 9.4 out of 10 because the entertainment just basically outlet shines everything that was bad about the film because in general the movie is pretty bad, and I will admit it is pretty bad, but I just enjoy it.
Honestly, for me, I would give it a 5.5 out of 10.
Yeah,
I'll
it's
admit, it is pretty stupid.
yeah, it is a pretty dumb movie. It is a pretty awful movie, but it's enjoyable at least. At least it's fun, but it definitely, I mean, objective terms, it is definitely the weakest Pixar movie.
Yeah.
Like objectively, like critic wise, yeah, it's definitely like looking at it as a movie, it's definitely the worst Pixar movie.
Mm-hmm.
The, the and objectively, it probably is a worse movie than like Finding Dory objectively, but as entertaining, but for entertainment, this is definitely more entertaining to watch. And it was the first ever movie I saw in theater, so there's a little bit of that nostalgia factor there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Cars 2. Very
Yeah.
stupid, but very entertaining.
Yeah. Stay tuned for Brave, which is coming up next. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again real soon.